Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to add money to PayPal account on PC and on mobile. Alright, so here let's start with the PC version. So log into your PayPal account and on the top panel, you can see wallet. So let's click on this and from here, click on transfer money. From this option, click on add money to your balance. Now from here, choose the source of your fund and click on next. Now you can enter the amount you want to send and the money will reflect in your PayPal account between 3 to 4 business days. Okay, now for the mobile app, you can open up your PayPal app on your device. Now tap on the wallet icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from here, tap on your balance and tap on add money from the options below. So here you have multiple options to add money to your balance, but for this example, let's choose add money from your bank. Now enter the amount you want to add to your balance and tap on next. Alright, so the process will take 3 to 4 business days and the money will be added to your balance. Alright, so that's all for this video guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.